Hello everyone, today we're making a classic apple tart that's perfect for any occasion. It's simpler than you think and incredibly rewarding. Get ready to impress your taste buds and your guests. For the crust you'll need flour, cold butter, a pinch of salt and ice water. For the filling grab some crisp apples, sugar, cinnamon and a touch of lemon juice. Simple fresh ingredients make all the difference. Start by combining your flour and salt. Cut in the cold butter until it resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add ice water, just enough to bring the dough together. Don't overmix. A tender crust is key. Chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. Peel, core and thinly slice your apples. Toss them with sugar, cinnamon and a squeeze of lemon juice. This prevents browning and brightens the flavor. Let them sit for a few minutes to release some juices. Roll out your chilled dough and carefully transfer it to your tart pan. Arrange the apple slices beautifully in a spiral pattern. Bake until the crust is golden brown and the apples are tender. A warm slice is pure comfort. Let your tart cool slightly before serving. It's wonderful on its own, or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. This easy apple tart is a delightful treat for any home baker. Happy baking!